Hi guys, how's it going? And in this video I'm going to be opening up a homemade trading card game booster pack, what I've not actually opened for quite a while, which is the Mystic Islands, and this is the Bitter Cold expansion pack. You get 18 cards in the booster pack, and down here it says you get 10 common, 6 uncommon and 2 rare or better cards. So yeah, let's just crack into this pack. This is his latest set, I believe, the Bitter Cold set. And I always have a good laugh with this trading card game creator, because when I created, I only learnt about this card game when I started out with my game Wrath of Course 2, and we started seeing some similarities between our cards. So if I just pull this one here, for example, you can kind of see it's like a mirror image almost of our cards. You've got the cost in the corner, and then you've got the attack and the health. Well, attack and defense in this case, in the other card. So yeah, it was completely random, and we always seem to have these weird things where we upload the same type of videos at the same time. It's like we've got some kind of connection between us as a coincidence. But yeah, anyway, moving on to the cards. We've got down here, I believe this was a rarity if memory serves me, and yeah, so we've got a red one. I think that's the rare actually. That might be. Yes, I think black was common, blue was uncommon, and red was rare. And then there was another one, I can't remember what colour it was. So this is Commander Wrathful Bones, one of the rare cards. While active once per turn, you may banish a creature from your graveyard to gain free health. That's pretty cool if you don't necessarily care about your graveyard. Underground Guardian, that's a 4/3 common. Winter Warlock, that's a 3/3 common. Look at the top card of your deck. Tribe Chief, a 4/2 common. Spine-Chilled Guardian, uncommon, 0/4. Every time this creature blocks another creature, you get to draw a card. Frigid Ice Wall, 0/7. This creature cannot attack. This creature's attack must always stay at 0. That's a pretty good defensive unit, really. As you can probably tell by its name and picture. Coral Gem. Pick 2 random cards from your opponent's hand. Reveal these cards to all casters. Summon Soul. Search your deck for a skeleton creature, put it into your hand, and then shuffle your deck. Hooded Thief, 2/2 common card. Dwarven Soldier, 2/1 common. Frost Knight, a 4/2 common unit. There's a couple of uncommons now. Scrobbling Warrior. Cyro Shark. Don't know if that's meant to be Cryo Shark, maybe. I don't know, I could be wrong. 4/1. Frostbite. All opposing resting creatures get -2/-2 until the end of this round. The Chosen One. Search your deck for a royalty faction creature and put it into your hand. Lose health equal to the worth of that creature, shuffle your deck. So that's a good way of getting your strongest cards out of the game. Out of a deck, should I say, not out of the game. Sour Spider, oh no, that must just be the way it's spelled. Draw a card, 2/1, uncommon. Fearless Scrobbling, 2/1. This creature must attack every turn when possible. And now a rare card is Rovin the Dwarf. 3/1. When it's unrested, this creature does not enter the battlefield resting. So I'm presuming that means it's like haste, where it can just attack its initial turn it comes into play. And it's a 1 cost with 3 attack and 1 defense. So with haste, that's pretty powerful. To be fair, that reminds me of some of my old MTG cards back in the day. That does. But yeah, he's just released the Bitter Cold expansion set. And like I said, the familiarities between my game and his game, it's something unique. I don't think I've got that connection with any other homemade trading card game, because like my most recent set, should I say, is the Pirate archetype, and then he's got a load of Pirate faction cards in his game. Obviously the layout is like a near mirror image of each of us. And then we not long released a video each of creating homemade trading cards at home, and they were pretty much went live on exactly the same day, so it's quite funny really how coincidental things are between both our games. But yeah, that's going to be this booster pack opening. That's the 2 rares we've got for this booster pack. And if you've never seen Mystic Islands before, just be sure to head over to his channel and see what he's made of. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.